Okay, here we are on a new project. Here's the garage. I was kind enough to clear out this whole section. So just got here. Trailer is parked. Here's the driveway back. This will stay here for the duration of the project. Tarp is down, the garage floor protected, and the project's right over here. Haven't even walked in here. It's the first time right now. Laundry room. Okay, so this is what I'm redoing here. The shower. So what they have here is a tile ready pan. It's a green one. And I came here a few weeks ago. Flood test is actually leaking just a little bit. The client's saying it's not holding water that good. So we're gonna redo this entire shower. They originally called me because the pebbles are starting to pop, and mainly because it seems to me that they didn't use epoxy mortar here to set the pebbles. They just used regular thin set mortar. But anyway, we're gonna redo it because the walls have cement board, like one coat of liquid, not even two, if that. And I use mastic. So I'm hoping when I rip this thing out that the walls aren't molded out and whatnot, just for the client's sake, because I got this nice wainscoting going around and this ceiling molding. But whatever it's going to take to make it right, that is what I am going to do. So step one, we're going to start the demo. That'll be step two actually. Step one, I'm going to protect this entire floor with some materials. And the carpet here, so the whole walkway will be protected. That way nothing gets messed up. So this is where I'm at, day one of this project. To give you guys a peek, so you can see these mastic there, cement board, have one thin coat of liquid on there, which is not actually waterproof. You need two coats. You know, two thin coats, but they just have one thin coat, so that's just kind of like a vapor barrier. You can see they use mastic along this whole thing to set it, for sure. So definitely not thin set, all mastic. And you can see how soft that material is. If that was thin, so it'd be a lot harder. So, starting the demo. So this bad boy now, after I get everything prepped, got floor protection along the hallway, all the way to the shower, plus a drop cloth there. Plastic all the way out to here. And the tarp all the way to the trailer. That is where I'm at currently. This is what it looks like. Okay, so you can see that this piece of wood here was actually screwed top and bottom in a silicone luck. So now they nailed it in from this side afterwards. But that's where the tile ends in the cement board. And there's no waterproofing from here over. So hoping there's no damage behind here, but we will find out. Simple as that. Okay, here we are. This project, day two. Came in yesterday. Pretty much prepped the whole job site and started the demo. So that's what I got. I mean, this has been a real wrestling tournament here, getting this cement board off. It looks like they use Wonder Board, because when Wonder Board has a lot of the mesh, so it is really strong and hard to take off, and they screwed it on. So they did that section pretty much right, but obviously shower pans are holding water and whatnot. A lot of things are done wrong with the mastic, but all that said, it's definitely been difficult tearing this thing apart. This is what I got so far. So I have this wall to take down, the pan and get out. Okay guys, so this is the shower starting the demo process. Now you can see there's actually water that's just sitting under the curb. Now this is a concrete slab, so it wouldn't affect it, but it'll definitely mold out the wood that's on top of it around the perimeter of the shower over time. Thankfully, there really wasn't much mold at all on the base of this shower, so I was able to rebuild it, and this is what she looks like when she is said and done. This soap spray, all good to go. Show you some close-ups here. Flow Effects drain grate. I really like the Flow Effects drains, and they're a really good, well-made product. So this is another shower in the books. They'll last for a long time. And this will be a heavy use shower. I use it probably about twice a day. So you're gonna see a lot of water. Everything is watertight, blood tested, good to go. Hand it off to the client. Thank you, sir. Donnie D, signing off.